Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create flower bouquet TikTok trend. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to open our TikTok application, and after we have our TikTok application opened, we can search for a flower language folder. You can go to the search menu right here and then just type in flowers language folder. Okay, and there will be some options for you guys, and you can choose the effect or the folder you want to use. For instance, I'm going to use this effect or this folder, and then we just need to click on use this effect. All right, and you can type in anything you want to type. For example, I'm just going to type in like this. Okay, then just click on the OK button and you can choose the ribbon you want to apply to your bouquet. I'm just going to select this one and we can click on OK, and you can also change the background by tapping on the name like this. And I'm going to use this one, and we can click on photo or video or maybe text. It's up to you. I'm just going to click on the photo. Okay, and then we can post this post to our TikTok. You can also add music, sticker, or anything you want. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a flower bouquet TikTok trend. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.